Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a simple birthday cake. I made this cake on my birthday and everyone loved it. This is just a 2-ingredient cake. And this cake has no flour, no butter, no oil, no baking powder and baking soda. So let's see how to do it. You need some dark compound chocolate for this recipe. Just grate it and melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiling method or just melt this in a microwave. Keep it aside. Now the next ingredient you need is 5 eggs. First you need to separate the egg white and yolks. Separate the egg yolk into a bowl and add the egg whites into a larger bowl. Now we have separated all the egg whites and yolks. Now take the melted chocolate and add each egg yolk into it and mix it. The chocolate should not be hot or you may be cooking the egg yolks. Add the egg yolks one by one and mix it thoroughly. Our chocolates will get thick like this. Mix it really well and keep it aside. Now let's start whipping the egg whites. You don't have to add any sugar into it because the chocolate have already sugar. Beat until you get stiff peaks like this. Now take around 1 cup of egg white and add that into the chocolate mixture and slowly mix it. Likewise, slowly incorporate the entire egg whites into the chocolate mixture. Now this is our cake batter. Let's pour it into a cake tin lined with parchment paper. Give a tap. Now bake this in a 170-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, insert a toothpick and if it comes out clean, that means our cake is ready. Allow it to cool down completely before you unmold it. When it cools down, the cake will sink a bit and it change its shape, but don't worry, that's completely fine. Now flip it onto a plate and slowly remove the parchment paper. You can dust it with some powdered sugar. Here I've added 1 chocolate decoration and some red colored cherries just to lift up the look of the cake. Our super easy, no flour chocolate cake is ready. It's so easy to make with just 2 ingredients. So definitely try out this recipe. Now let's cut the cake and see the texture of it. It's very soft and very chocolatey. It has the real intense flavor of chocolate, and if you are a chocolate lover, this is the best cake you can try. So leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.